Hi everyone. I'm going to be going over our Acme Distributing Order Management System. This is Team 2, and I am Kaylin Viteri. This is our table of contents. We actually went ahead and put everything into a notebook. Okay. So the scope. Let's start with the scope. We broke it up into 6 different sections. So this project replaces the manual order process with a digital system. The sales representatives use tablets to place orders, which are then transmitted directly to the business office. They can also manage customer data like names, addresses, delivery windows, and loading dock capabilities. The system integrates with existing software for invoices and bills of lading and inventory updates. The route planning remains manual, and the whole system runs locally, so not web-based, for security. Our goal is a user-friendly and scalable tool with strong testing and support built in. This is our schedule. We split the schedule into a 2-sprint structure. And our first sprint included the planning, the requirements, gathering all the requirements, the high-level designs, putting together our test plan. And then our second sprint focused on technical design, implementation, and of course the final testing. We pretty much were consistent all the way through. So then the Gantt chart that we have here, pretty much the same thing. We worked on it in big chunks and then tried to stay consistent throughout as well. Here is our team roles. This is how we kind of decided to name and give each person a task. Project manager, design lead, quality assurance. Some of us did have, actually most of us pretty much had multiple roles to be able to finish the project. Here is our resumes. And our resumes, we just have like a very short overview of each one of our resumes. Luckily, we did have some people who have a little bit more experience on doing this kind of work. And I believe most of us also were able to work with Java, so. Yeah. Okay, so now pretty much we're going to get into the technical description. Okay, so the technical overview is like the system has two interfaces, a tablet app and a desktop app. The tablet app is made for the sales representatives, and then the desktop app was made for the business office. The sales representatives are going to be able to log in, manage customers, and place orders. The administration staff is going to be able to view the orders, manage the users, and generate reports. The way the user flow pretty much is, it pretty much goes where it starts with login. After the login, the main menu lets you create a new order, add or update customers, view the current order, and load a new inventory file. This application uses Java Swing for the GUI, and all the data is stored locally or passed to the office system securely. Okay, so then the data management plan. Our data management plan ensures customer and order information is kept accurate and secure. The sales representatives input and edit customer data on tablets. The orders are created, then transmitted to the office for processing. The admins use the system to verify data, run billing, and update the warehouse stock. Data validation will happen twice, once on the tablet, then again in the office. All sensitive data is encrypted and access controlled. Our test plan is going to validate everything. It's functional, non-functional, and integration. So we mapped each requirement to test cases. The system is tested for performance, scalability, error handling, and compatibility with existing systems. We also ran scenario-based tests using decision tables and state diagrams to ensure the order process works across all conditions.